Let's see what's going on today. 1975 Imperial. Actually, this rolled in yesterday, doing window felts. I've already got the rears done. Inner and outer. Came out pretty good. This is why they're getting replaced. They're in pretty bad shape. So, I guess it's time to tackle the fronts. And I'll bring you back. Alright, hopefully I got you guys in the shot. Hopefully I'm not too much in the shot. We're going to dig into this now. Don't know yet if the quarter windows have to come out to take this glass out. We'll find out. Pretty sure this lower panel's got to come out and get to the fasteners for the glass. Taking the fasteners out of the bottom of the window. On the rear there was 3. Looks like there's only 2 in the front. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. This one's going to be jammed up. I'll bring you guys back if I get this figured out. That front fastener down there, it's in a plastic retainer and it just spins. Can't get it out. This one back here I was able to get out. There it is right there. It's a pain. But at least that one came out. But I found that if I take that back one out and let the glass drop down, I can get the screws holding in this window felt, so I don't even have to take the window out. The rear doors, the windows had to come out. This one does not. So I'll get the other camera restarted and we'll be right back. Alright, let's get back to work. There's just some screws holding this outer felt in. Those have got to come out. Yeah, these old ones are as hard as rocks. They don't flex. They're all cracked and broken. Compare that with a new one. It's new. Actually moves. I'm not tightening the screws down quite yet, just in case I gotta adjust it. Actually looks pretty good where it is. I'm going to snug it down. Alright, the door side is complete. I'll bring you guys into the shop and we'll do the door panel side. Alright, we're back in the shop now. I'm going to work on these inner panels. These inner felts, they are held in by staples. You can see one right there. Another one. So we got to pry these staples out. I'm just going to use a couple screwdrivers, get them to open up, and I should be able to get this felt out of here. I'm going to set up the big stationary camera and see if we can capture this. Alright, let's get started. Starting with my small screwdriver. Keep these staples bent up a little bit. You guys probably can't really see what I'm doing, but alright, now I'm going to come in with a larger screwdriver. These staples straighten out a bit. Some small vice grips. I wouldn't hate it if these things broke off, but they don't. Trying to get these as straight as possible so that the window felt will pull off this door panel without doing any damage. I'm going to slip my driver in. Just like that. It's off. And the felt looks alright, but it is really hard. And when they harden up like that, it slows the windows down. I got a new felt. I get the trim lined up with the door panel. I'm going to take my small vice grips. Just lightly clamp it down so it doesn't move. Nice and lined up. So these felts are held in by staples. I do not have the tool to put these in. So what I'm using is 5/64 drill bit. I'm going to drill through the felt and the backer. Put the staple in some vice grips. Put it in a hole and use a staple to dimple my second hole. I can just slip that staple in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pop it out on the other side. Hold it in tight. Just knock them legs over. Take a larger pair of vice grips. Just fold the legs over. I'm going to hold it in there pretty tight. I'll just keep working at it. I can feel on the backside where the old staples were. Just kind of put them back where they were. It's not exact, but close enough. I think you guys get the idea. I'm going to finish this up, bring some close-up shots with the other camera, and show you the end result. Alright, here's the end result. I don't know if you guys can see it. Staples all installed. Trim is back on. Looks pretty good. We just got to get it back in the car. I'm going to get that second panel done, and I'll bring it back for the reinstall and a reveal. Alright, just a quick wrap up. It's starting to rain, so all the window felts are in. Turned out pretty good. Just in time for the rain, I guess. Thank you guys for hanging out. And I'll see you on the next project.